Hello, kids! Welcome back. Let's learn more alphabet letters. M is for monkey.
Monkey.
N is for nest.
Nest.
O is for owl.
Owl.
P is for penguin.
Penguin.
Q is for quail.
Quail.
R is for rabbit.
Rabbit.
Amazing job, kids! You learned letters M to R. The final part is coming next. Bye-bye!